Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can log in into your online banking account of Wells Fargo. In order to log in into your online banking account of Wells Fargo, first thing you need to make sure that you already have an online banking account of Wells Fargo. Only then you'll be provided with the login details. Next thing, in order to log in, you need to open up your web browser, and you can use any web browser of your choice. And once you open up your web browser, on the search box you need to type in the link that is www.wellsfargo.com/online-banking. You can also find the link on my description box below. As you type in the link, you'll be directed to the official site, and on this page you need to slightly scroll down, and then right at the bottom in the left hand side corner you have an option as enroll and sign on. In case you don't have an online banking account of Wells Fargo, then you need to click on enroll now, and after that you'll be directed to the page, or you'll be directed to the process of creating an online banking account of Wells Fargo. In order to sign into your account, you need to click on sign on, which is under enroll now. And as you click on the sign on, you'll be directed to the sign in page, and right in center you need to provide your username and password associated with your Wells Fargo account in order to log in. So after you've provided your username and password, tap on sign on, which is right at the bottom, and if you've provided a correct information, you'll be logged into your account. In case you're not able to log in into your account because of your incorrect username or a password, you can simply tap on forgot username or password, and after that you need to provide some alternative details in order to log in into your account. And that is how you can log in into your online banking account of Wells Fargo. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.